Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever turned off your TV, settled into the quiet of your living room, and then, pop, a sudden noise startles you? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the mystery of why your TV makes that popping sound even when it's off. This is episode 250, and we're keeping it fresh for 2025. First off, let's get one thing straight. That popping noise is usually nothing to worry about. It's often related to the way your TV's materials react to temperature changes. You see, when your TV is on, it generates heat from all those internal components like the backlight, circuits, and processors. Once you turn it off, the TV starts to cool down rapidly. As the metals and plastics inside contract, they can create small stresses that result in those audible pops, kind of like how a soda can might crackle when you put it in the fridge. But wait, there's more to it. Another common culprit is electrical discharge. Even after you hit the power button, some residual electricity might still be lingering in the capacitors or other components. When this energy dissipates, it can produce a quick pop, similar to a static shock. Now, if your TV is older or has been exposed to humidity, these noises might be more frequent due to expanded or worn-out parts. Is it ever a sign of something serious? Well, most of the time, no. But if the popping is accompanied by flickering screens, unusual smells, or happens frequently right after turning on, it might be worth checking with a professional. To minimize these sounds, try placing your TV in a more temperature-stable environment, away from drafts or direct sunlight. In conclusion, that mysterious pop is just your TV's way of settling down after a hard day's work. If you're curious about more tech quirks, hit that like button and subscribe for more episodes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious.